Hello everyone! So there are a lot of teachers na nagtatanong sa akin what's the difference of AI interview and live interview in applying to 51 Talk. So sa AI interview, right after kayong makapag-fill up ng basic information, you can already enter interview room. So you are given 6 hours para makapag-press ng enter interview room. Now if you choose to enter, you will be guided by an AI. Tapos you need to fill up the forms again there. Pero uurasan po kayo. After that is reading and pronunciation test. And then the third part is the rules assessment. Okay, so if you happen to pass those, then mayroong application na ira-run po ninyo sa inyong laptop para ma-check ng AI if pasok ba sa standard yung ating laptop at saka yung ating internet. Now, if you pass this all, then you will be forwarded to your PSO. May ipapasa sila na link, pero usually nangyayari is wala talagang magaganap na PSO dahil hindi mo alam saan mo hahagilapin yung link for the Zoom or the MS Team. Yun lang yung disadvantage. Pero may pag-asa naman sa AI kahit na lang mangyayaring PSO, maghintay lang kayo. Hindi lang nga specific kailan kayo bibigyan ng email na exactly talaga mayroong complete links. Yun yung disadvantage po doon sa AI. And then another disadvantage pala is if you happen to fail in the AI interview kasi hindi kayo nakapasa doon sa reading and pronunciation test or kaya sa technical kasi hindi kayo nagtanong kung pasok ba yung inyong laptop specs. So failed kayo. After 30 days pa, tsaka kayo makapag-reapply. Now, pwede bang mag-reapply pero live interview na? Ang mangyayari dyan is kamatrace rin ng system kasi very automated si 51 Talk. And there are a lot of emails na automated. System-generated yun na mga emails. Whereas sa live interview naman is the interviewer is a human interviewer. That is immediately your screener, your initial interviewer and your screener. Tapos pwede kang makapag-follow up doon sakaling may mga problema yung inyong pag-process ng inyong application. Of course, there are really cases na hindi sila basta makapag-reply because there are a lot of teachers applying in 51 Talk. And there is this scarcity of facilitators and interviewers. At least medyo may chances na makapag-follow up ka kasi tao talaga yung nag-entertain sa inyo. For cases na brownout, unavoidable na mga circumstances na magre-risked ka, yun yung advantage sa live interview. Kasi yung screener mo is immediately your person to follow up. But if you are under my referral, you will be well guided by me for free po yan. So, hindi po ako humihingi ng bayad sa aking mga referrals, teachers ha. Of course, from your first step to the last step, up to the time na naging teacher na kayo, you can still contact me. You can still have communication with me. Now, what is my return? Of course, it's the company who will give me the incentives. Hindi po galing sa aplikante. Kasi if the applicant is successfully launched, was active rin siya as a teacher, then could receive my incentive. So, yan na rin yung incentive ko or happiness ko as the person who referred you and who assisted you and guided you in your application process. Yes, I could really assure you that I could able to guide you, could help you out if cases like pa-reschedule kayo, ganito, ganyan. So, marami na talaga rin akong na-launch na mga teachers. Why not? Why not try to be part of my referrals? That's all for today. Hopefully, I could hear from you, one of the interested applicants here in 51 Talk, and I could also assist you in your application. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye!